This is Sofia, but we don't know how much. But how much? Yeah. Sofia. Will be next. Me. We will be next there. We are number 7. Me, inyo? Ha? Ako na. Ikaw na, maganda. Huwag matatapat sa anak. Yeah.
May discount din ba dito?
Ha?
No, mayroon ako.
Meron ho. Yan, lagyan mo sa supot. Dahil sa iyo. Christmas. No, phone number? I have to put up number. Ayan. 60. Cost $55. 47 cents. Wow, 220 na. Expensive naman yun. Thank you, ma'am. Para i-hold on. Wow. May one more, oh. Oh, can you fill this up?
Sa'yo naman,
Yeah, right.
Yeah, magsusulit.
Yeah. Can you fill this up? May pen dito, oh. Ako naman. Lagay mo, Edgardo. $399 $9585. E.T. the Hero. E.T. the Hero at yahoo.com. So the more you buy, the more you have a ticket. See? This one you're gonna put there. Okay, good luck. Okay.
Ito pala yung
$4 lang. Yeah.
Yeah,
At least I know, man.
pag maubos dito ka na lang dito.
Yeah. This is what I use for my arthritis.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I know. Okay, let's go. Whew.
Dapat idala muna natin doon.
Kaya, ha?
Tuloy ko na lang. Ako na. Ako na, Dad. Ako.
Okay. Yes. Ayo. Okay. We're still going to Valerio's. I will buy something. Okay. Okay, put it back. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you later. I'm gonna go to Valerio's. Okay, we're going to Valerio's and to buy pandesal. Oh. Parang mga luma na.
Ano gusto mong bilhin?
Ha?
Ano gusto mong bilhin? Pandesal?
Pandesal sana, pero parang okay. We are now in Valerio's. We're gonna buy some pandesal, but I have to find out how much is the siupaw. Oh. Yeah, just buy siupaw. I want a siupaw. Okay, just get that one. Only one. No. Ay, nako. Yan. Okay na yan. Parang mga pipit na, no? Ha? Yan lang?
Minimum 6 dollar. Baka pwede yung... Ito, magkano ito isa? 150 po. O, sige. May empanada pa rin po kami.
Wheat bread. Wheat yan. No. Bakit yan? Ne. Hayaan mo na. Ayaw kumita mo. Oh. Halika na.
Ayaw mo?
Ayaw ko yan. Parang pipit na pipit. Gano'n tayo bibili sa ano. Walang ka turya. Let's go. Okay, we're leaving. We're done with business. Island Pacific, the best Filipino vegetables store. Oh, Tang, for you. Okay, we're leaving. Ano? This one. Okay. Bye for now.